Hello there everyone, my name is Pritam Neki, and in this video we're gonna be talking about iPadOS and how we can install iPadOS beta version to our iPad. Now for your information, I'm just showing you the current version, and here you can see my current version is 12.3.1 and my model is iPad Pro 10.5 inch. Now let's go back and click on Safari. Now we need to click on Safari only because Safari is the only supported browser to download iPad beta profile. Now you need to type in your Safari browser beta.apple.com and go. We need to sign in with our Apple ID. After we sign in, you will see that there are different beta available, like for example macOS beta, iOS beta. Now onward, Apple has released a different OS for the iPad, which is known as iPadOS. Now click on iPadOS and go down, and here at Get Started you can enroll your iPad. Now after you click on enroll your device, you're gonna see this page. Also you can take precaution and can back up your data. After that you need to install the profile by clicking here, download profile, and allow profile downloaded. And now if you go back to settings, and here in general in profile you can find, if you want to delete then you can also delete it, but here we want to install, so we're gonna click on install and you're gonna give our password. Now again install profile, and now our iPad require restart, so we're gonna be restart our iPad. Let's go back to settings, and here we can see we have successfully installed the iOS beta profile. Let's go back to software update, and as we can see here, the iOS 13 public beta is available for the download. Click on download and install. Now based on your internet speed, it's gonna take some time, and you can follow the process of installation. Now here, let me just show you, the icons here are smaller, and let me just show you the version. Here is 13.0. In this video, our intent was to show you how you can update your iPad to iOS beta 13.0. I hope guys you like and enjoy my video. If yes, then please like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to give any kind of suggestion, then you can obviously provide your valuable input in comment down below. And I will see you soon. Till then, bye bye.